So let's go time to head inside the Pearl Museum. This is a natural pearl. It's really tiny, but incredibly precious. This is called mother of pearl. It's the shiny inner layer of a shell, and it's often used in jewelry and decoration. Here they have three different kinds of mother of pearl, each one with its own color and shine. They're showing how pearls are made inside the oyster. It starts when a tiny bit of tissue is placed inside, and the oyster slowly turns it into a pearl. Not every oyster produced a perfect pearl. Higher quality pearl doesn't depend only on its color. They have got a big variety of pearls here. You can shop if you like. Some are super premium and some are more budget friendly.